Hi, welcome to Zona Mechanica. There is an MCQ on simple stress and strain. Figure out the margin indicates the weightage of the question, that is 1 mark. A rod of length L and diameter D is subjected to a tensile load P. Which of the following is sufficient to calculate the resulting change in diameter? Option A, Young's modulus. Option B, shear modulus. Option C, Poisson's ratio. Option D, both Young modulus and Poisson's ratio. Well, let this is the rod of length L and diameter D, and it is subjected to a tensile load P. Okay, so the longitudinal stress will be P by A. A is pi d square by 4. Okay, Young's modulus. We know Young's modulus E is longitudinal stress by longitudinal strain. That is sigma by epsilon longitudinal. Okay, and shear modulus G is shear stress by shear strain, that is tau by gamma. Okay, and option C, Poisson's ratio mu, that is equal to lateral strain by longitudinal strain. Okay, so lateral strain epsilon lat, that is the change in d by d, and longitudinal strain epsilon long, change in d, that is delta d by d and delta L by L. Okay, so first of all, shear modulus is not going to help anyway to get this change in diameter. Okay, so if we know G, the value of G, so from this ratio we cannot find out the change in diameter D. Okay, now the Poisson's ratio mu is equal to change in diameter by diameter. Okay, diameter we know, delta L by L. L we know, but delta L we don't know. So if we know mu, then also we cannot find out this change in diameter unless we know delta L. Now the Young's modulus sigma is P by A. Okay, so A we know because we know D, and P we know, so sigma is known, but this delta L we don't know. So E alone cannot help us to get delta D. Okay, and mu alone won't help us to get delta D. So we need to know both E and mu. So if we know E and sigma is known, so we can find out this longitudinal strain, and this value of longitudinal strain if we put here and we know the value of mu, then we can find out this one, that is this one, E by sigma, which is known, and if we know mu, then we can find out this delta D. Okay, delta D by D is equal to mu into E longitudinal. So D is known, mu is known, and E longitudinal we can find out from here, so we can find this delta D. So we need to know both Young's modulus and Poisson's ratio. So option D is the correct answer.